Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to stop Google from saving your search history on a PC. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and navigate directly to the website address google.com. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture, initial icon, or Google account avatar. From there, click explicitly on the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. If you entered your main account panel, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout and click directly on the tab named Data and Privacy. Click on My Activity. First, scroll and find the option labeled Search Service History. Click on it to access your primary background logging controls. Inside, click the button labeled On. A drop-down menu panel layout will appear, offering a choice to select either Turn off to block future tracking or Turn off and delete activity to purge your historical log at the same time. Now, click the Back button. Click directly on the row panel labeled Web and App Activity. Inside the Activity Controls configuration area, click the button labeled Turn Off. A drop-down menu panel layout will appear, offering a choice to select either Turn off to block future tracking or Turn off and delete activity to purge your historical log at the same time. Follow the final on-screen confirmation prompt details explaining the operational change and click Pause or Got It to lock your new privacy settings engine into place permanently. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.